Peace, peace, peace. Love, love, love. Unity, unity, unity. Community, community, community. Family, family, family. Tonight I'm going to do a grocery haul. I went to Trader Joe's. Let's see what we got. Got some whole wheat pita bread, 2 of those. We have some green beans, 2 of those as well. A creamy hummus and vegetable wrap, vegan. Two things of sliced baby bella mushrooms. Some soy chorizo. Blackberries. Pomegranate seeds. My baby wanted some dark chocolate covered almonds. This ain't the kind that she want, but when she texted me, I got it too late, but I already got these, so I wasn't trying to go back, so I just got these. Go ahead to Dionne's Life 2 on YouTube. That is DIONNES Life on YouTube. We also got blueberries. That's the first one. We got 2 things of organic tofu. Nope, I'm sorry. We got 3 things of organic tofu. This is my baby's favorite. I know what she like. Porcini mushroom truffle ravioli. 2 things of these. We got some cage-free vegetarian feed, no antibiotics used. 1 dozen of eggs. Our drinks are 100% grapefruit. Tanqueray juice. 100% juice as well. One of my go-to drinks is a live ancient mushroom elixir. That's my personal drink. We got some tea, organic ginger, turmeric herbal tea, caffeine free. Couple more things. We got 1. Okay, these are the last items. We have 2 organic vegetarian chili, 2 of those. 1 organic lentil vegetable soup. 2 eggplant with tomato and onions. 2 baked beans and tomato sauce. 2 of those. And the 2 last items we have Greek chickpeas, parsley, and cumin. 2 of these. Oh, I'm sorry. Greek chickpeas and parsley and cumin.
Yeah, cumin.
There you go.
So cumin.
There you go. I appreciate everyone tapping in. Again, you know, God's greatest gift that He gave us is time. So thank you for your time. Make sure this video goes from 1 share to 10 shares, 10 shares to 100 shares, 100 shares to 1,000 shares, 1,000 shares to 10,000 shares, 10,000 shares to 100,000 shares, and y'all know the rest. 100,000 shares to 1 million shares, and it all starts with you. So go to my Facebook, Tru Hicks. Also my my YouTube, Tru Hicks. Go to my wife page as well, Dionne's Life. This is our grocery haul. So we talk to y'all later. Till next time, y'all. Peace, 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 peace.